Hi guys, it's Mrs. Ferreira. I wanted to go over 2 quick vocabulary words before we do our lesson today, Polygons Day 4. So the first one that I want to talk about is a side. A side is where a line segment or a piece of a line comes together with another line to make, and when you put them together, they make a shape. I just made a quadrilateral. Another word for this quadrilateral is a rectangle. And on this, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 line segments that come together to make the quadrilateral. And another way to say those line segments is sides. There are 4 sides on a quadrilateral. There are 1, 2, 3 sides on a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of a line coming together to form a polygon. And if we did a trapezoid, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that come together to make that trapezoid. So that's what a side is. The next word I want to talk about is an angle. An angle is where 2 line segments come together. This point right here where they connect is the angle. Okay, so if you have a rectangle, a quadrilateral, we're going to have 1 angle here, 1 angle here, 1 angle here, and 1 angle here. And the term that we've talked a lot about is we call them corners. We talk a lot about corners. That's where 2 line segments are meeting. So on every shape, you're going to have line segments or sides, and you're going to have angles where those sides meet each other. So if we have a pentagon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. Hi guys, now that you know what an angle and a side are, I have some different tools here that I'm hoping you can find around your house. I have toothpicks, I have markers, I've got a box of crayons, and I've got some pencils. If you can find any of 5 or 6 of the same items at your house, whether it be toothpicks, whether it be markers, crayons, pencils, you can build your own polygon. So if you have toothpicks around your house or straws, you could take 3 toothpicks, and this will become the 3 sides of your polygon. So I have a bottom, I gotta move it back here so you can see it, and I have 2 sides. And I know that a 3-sided, we got to make sure it's closed, that no one can escape out of those areas. That is a triangle, a 3-sided polygon. So I made a polygon, a triangular polygon with my toothpicks. The next thing we're going to make is I have pencils, and I'm going to make a quadrilateral with my pencils. Quadrilateral. Triangle is 3, quadrilateral, is 4. So, these all look to be about the same length. So if something has the same length sides, would it be a rectangle or would it be a square? I can't remember. You know who will know? Hold on one second, I'll be right back. I forgot my math assistant, Mr. Zebra, he'll help me. Now, Zebra, if they have 4 of the same size, what should it be? A square, that's right. So we have one side, we've got the top, we've got this other side, and then we have this side. So this quadrilateral is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that are all the same length. So if there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, there's also 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, okay? So, we made a triangle, 3 sides, made a quadrilateral, 4 sides. What's next? Do you remember? A pentagon, that's right. A pentagon has 5 sides. So I need to take 5 crayons out, and you don't need to have all these supplies. If you have 5 crayons, just make a triangle with 3 crayons, a quadrilateral with 4 crayons, and a pentagon with 5 crayons. I'm just showing you different options. So let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3. There we go. I've got a 3. Is that a polygon? No, because it's not closed, so we know that that is not a polygon, just like we talked about in Zoom yesterday. It's not a polygon because it's not closed. But if I do these two, like this, I can see they gotta move it back just a little bit so you guys can see it on the camera. Move it back like this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. The angles are where the two lines, or the two crayons in this case, are meeting together, makes an angle. Okay, also another word for a corner, which we've talked about in school before. And the last one we're going to make, which, I haven't used my markers yet. So we talked about a triangle having 3 sides. A quadrilateral had 4 sides. A pentagon had 5 sides. Now we need to do our hexagon with 6 sides. So I need 6 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 markers. And I need to make a hexagon. I need to make sure I close my shape too. So let's see, I've got 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. I hope I have room for this. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to move back. Zebra, you're gonna have to scooch back. 4 sides, 5 sides. Sometimes you have to move it around just a little bit to make it all work. Gotta make sure it's all closed. Oops. Boy, this is trickier than I thought it was gonna be today, guys, to make sure it's closed. I have a 6-sided shape, which is a, I forget. Oh, hexagon. That's right. Thank goodness Zebra's here to help us. Sometimes I forget things. You know how old I'm getting. So try to today make shapes with things you find around your house. If you can't find any items around your house, you can just draw me a triangle, a quadrilateral, a pentagon, and a hexagon, the 6-sided shape, and send it to me. But see if you can get creative with items you can find around your house. Maybe TV remotes, maybe, I don't know. I bet you've got something super cool around your house that we would love to see. Silverware, you could use silverware. You could do 6 spoons, 5 spoons, 4 spoons. Take a picture of your favorite thing that you make, whether it's your triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, or your hexagon, and send it to Mrs. Ferrer and to Zebra, and we'll mark you down on a point on your sheet. Can't wait to see you at Zoom today at 1 o'clock. We're having share time today, so make sure you have your favorite share item with you when you join into for Zoom. And I miss you a lot, and I can't wait to see your sweet faces today at 1 o'clock. Take care, guys. Love you. Boy, you're being extra nice today, Zebra. Good morning, guys. I noticed after I rewatched my YouTube video this morning that you couldn't actually see when it uploaded to YouTube the different creations I made with the different items. So I just wanted to touch base with you really quick about the items I made. This was my 3-sided, 3-angled polygon triangle that I made with toothpicks. This was my 4-sided polygon I made with pencils, 4 sides, 4 angles. This was my 5-sided polygon that I made with crayons, 5 sides, 5 angles, and a pentagon. And then here was my hexagon, my 6-sided polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles that I made with markers. So this is kind of a good example of what I'm looking for when you submit your work today. You can just do one of them, or you could do a picture of all of them, up to you how you choose to send it to me. Sorry about the mix-up. Hope this helps. Bye.